The Logitech MX Master 3S is probably the most recommended mouse on the internet. Every review, every list, every best productivity mouse video, it's always there. But there is a Bluetooth edition now selling in India and a few things are missing from the box. So before you spend 8,000, 9,000 or more on a mouse, let me tell you what you actually get, what you don't and whether it's worth your money. Hi. I am Pooja. Welcome to ClearBuy. I spend my time testing gadgets, appliances and sharing my honest real-world experience with them. So if you enjoy practical, unbiased reviews like this, consider subscribing. First, let's clear up the confusion. There are multiple MX Master 3S versions selling in India right now. Standard edition, Mac edition and this newer Bluetooth edition. The mouse hardware is identical across all three. Same sensor, same buttons, same scroll wheel, same battery. The difference? What's inside the box? Standard edition comes with a Logi Bolt USB receiver and USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Bluetooth edition comes with just the mouse and the user guide. No receiver, no cable. Logitech launched this after the MX Master 4 came out as a more affordable way to keep the 3S available. If your laptop and desktop both have Bluetooth and you already own a USB-C cable, you genuinely won't miss anything. But if your PC doesn't have Bluetooth, this mouse won't connect at all without buying the Logi Bolt receiver separately. So check your setup before you order. Now let's talk about the mouse itself. 141 grams, solid build, contoured for right hand use. If you work 8, 10, 12 hours a day at a desk, the shape supports your palm and wrist naturally. And honestly, that comfort matters for long hour sessions. But the real standout is the scroll wheel. It's called MagSpeed, an electromagnetic scroll wheel made of machine steel. It scrolls up to 1000 lines per second. Two modes. A precise ratchet mode for line-by-line navigation and a free spin mode where the wheel just flies through long documents. There is also Smart Shift. It switches between these modes automatically based on how hard you flick. You don't have to press anything. There is a second scroll wheel on the thumb side, horizontal scrolling. If you work in spreadsheets, editing timelines or wide documents, you'll use this constantly. The dark field sensor tracks on almost any surface, including glass tables. Up to 8000 dpi, adjustable in 50 dpi steps through the Logi Options Plus software. Quiet clicks. The two main buttons are about 90% quieter than the older MX Master 3. If you work from home, share a room or take calls while working, this genuinely makes a difference. Battery life is rated at 70 days. In real world use, expect roughly 4 to 5 weeks with heavy use. And if you forget to charge, 1 minute of USB-C charging gives you 3 hours. You can connect up to 3 devices via Bluetooth and switch between them with a button on the bottom. And with Logitech Flow, you can actually move your cursor from your Windows PC straight onto your Mac and copy paste text and files across both machines. For multi-device setups, that's genuinely useful. With Logi Options Plus, you can customize every button and set completely different button functions per app. One setup for Chrome, another for Photoshop, another for Excel. The gesture button under the thumb rest alone gives you 5 additional actions. For daily productivity work, this mouse genuinely earns its price. Now let me be honest about what isn't perfect, because at this price, you should know exactly what you are getting into. The rubber coating picks up fingerprints and oils fast. And over a year or two of daily use, the soft touch material can start degrading, looking worn, getting slightly sticky. This is a known long-term issue with the MX Master series. The quiet clicks only apply to the two main buttons. The thumb buttons, middle click and mode switch button are noticeably louder. So it's not a fully silent mouse. There is no onboard memory. Your custom button settings, per app profiles, gesture mappings, all of it lives inside the Logi Options Plus software on your computer. The mouse stores nothing. If you connect to your work laptop where IT blocks third-party software, you are left with a basic mouse with default buttons. All the customizations you set up, gone. And the USB-C port on the front, that's strictly for charging. Even when the cable is plugged in, the mouse still sends data wirelessly. There is no wired mode. If Bluetooth drops and your receiver isn't connected, plugging in the cable won't fix it. Polling rate is 125 Hz on Windows, roughly 90 Hz over Bluetooth on Mac. Fine for regular office work, but on high refresh 4K monitors, some users notice slight cursor jitter. And for gaming, this mouse is simply not built for it. The response time is too slow for anything competitive. It's a right hand only mouse. No left-handed version exists. Warranty is 1 year. For a mouse at this price, that's on the shorter side. So should you buy the MX Master 3S Bluetooth edition? Honestly, it depends on who you are. If you work across Mac and Windows, spend long hours at a desk and actually use features like per app buttons, multi-device switching and Logitech Flow, this is one of the best productivity mouse you can buy in India right now. For content creators, designers, editors, coders, and spreadsheet power users, the MagSpeed scroll wheel and horizontal thumb wheel alone justify the price. But Gamers, skip this. The 125Hz polling rate and heavy 141-gram body aren't built for fast-paced games. Left-handed users, there is no left-hand version available. No Bluetooth on your PC? Don't buy the Bluetooth edition. Get the standard edition with the Logi Bolt receiver or buy the receiver separately. And if you just need a reliable wireless mouse for basic everyday use, there are genuinely good options at 1500, 2000, 3000 rupees. The MX Master 3S is a premium mouse for people who will actually use its premium features. If you'd use it like a regular mouse, the price doesn't justify itself. Make sure you're the right buyer before you spend your money. That's my honest take on the Logitech MX Master 3S. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, do hit the like button and subscribe to ClearBuy. It genuinely motivates me to keep testing products and sharing honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. I am Pooja from ClearBuy. Until next time, don't just buy, ClearBuy. See you soon.